Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a hairstyle video. So I'm going to be showing y'all all my products to do twists in my hair. I have big curls, but at the very top of my hair, it's pretty much straight. And so I'm going to be showing you our first product. So our very first product is a brush. You want to use a brush for the back of your hair when you start parting it. You want to brush it out so it doesn't hurt when you spread it apart and twist it. And then you're going to need some water to brush it because no curly hair people brush their hair dry. So you need some water. If you would like, you could put conditioner in it. Braid terms. But we're doing twists, but it's okay. So there's 20 of these. There's silver and gold. Next thing that we have is this curly and style milk. This is going to be used also on our hair. Second thing that you basically need, you need all of these products. So, second thing that you need is this brush comb with a pointy end. And we have two of these in the package. It came with two. And then what you're going to need is some gel to, when you twist it, you can put the gel at the bottom so it stays. Green gel. So you need that. And then second thing that you need, if you're gonna do waves, we have this. And at the end there's a comb. And yeah, that's all your products. Here's all the products. Hey guys, so I brushed out all my hair. It's all brushed out. So now we're gonna start parting it.
Okay, so we're gonna split this up here. Oh, now I'm short. Split this. Uh-oh. Hair's starting to dry. Okay. Tie it up.
It's like you're having a run.
Now I'm short. I guess it'll be okay for the back. Okay. All right. So let's get started. So her hair is washed, conditioned, ready to go. Detangled, no tangles in there. Ready to go. It's getting dry, so we gotta get going. Oh, I was like, what is that? So let's start at the bottom. So what we're not gonna do is we're not gonna put chunks. Okay, so let's start from the bottom. It's a lot of pressure for my first time. It's good to have detangled hair so you can go straight across. Alright, so let's do our first one. Alright. So first thing we're gonna use is our Shea Moisture Curl Style Milk with silk protein and neem oil. It moisturizes and curl defines thick curly hair. So I just put a little bit on a tapa and we're just gonna get some. Ooh, it's very silky. I like it. You wanna touch it? Very silky. So she kind of wants thick twist. So we're gonna completely submerge the hair with the product. Lulu has very curly, thin hair. very soft. Okay, so you just get 2 pieces of hair. 2 pieces of hair. Oh, look at these cute little hairs right here. And then we're gonna twist. Twist. Twist.
If you want it to stay in for longer, you might want to do it a little tight. Yeah.
Twist, twist, twist. So then we're gonna put gel at the end. What are you doing? Do you want to put gel at the end?
Yep.
All right. We're gonna put a little gel at the end to hold it together. Oh, yours is long.
It's only down to here.
I know. Let's put a little gel because this gel is hard, but I don't want to mess up your beautiful curls with this hard gel. And it might do, oh, like a snake. Okay, yeah, we don't need that. Okay, so let's do, this one will probably be 3 now. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the second one. So we went ahead and put the split in the middle so we can do those twisties going that way to kind of give her a little style. So we'll do those last. So go ahead and turn towards me, sweet princess.
Wait, other way?
No, just this side so I can do this side. So we're gonna do these going down. All right, so we are finishing it up. This is our last one. And it took about 30 minutes? I don't know, I forgot. 30, 20, no more. It did not take more than an hour. Let's say that.
Yes.
It took about.
Less than an hour.
Yes. And put a little gel here. This will dry.
And we'll come back over
I
there.
see a few that I could. Oh, my sweet girl. They look good. Okay, perfect. We are all done. So let's turn around, sweet model princess girl. This is the final product. This is my first time, so I can see, if you see down here where I first started, and as you gradually go up, you can see the twist get a little bit better. But overall, she looks amazing. She's happy. It's beautiful. I can't wait to see how it looks all dry. So we are gonna cut to how she looks whenever they dry. Right now, this is, stop, mama. Right now, this is freshly wet, freshly done. Turn around. And then we'll show you how they look when it dries.
Okay, now we're gonna do a baby.
We're just gonna do a little water. We're gonna use our Eco Professional Styling Gel with olive oil. And we are going to use our Edges comb that we purchased on Amazon. We will link all these products below if you wanna purchase them. We'll do a quick link so you can get those straight off of Amazon. So we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of gel. There we go, Miss Thang. She is going to the ball tonight. Let's see if one of these, she said I ain't going nowhere. You wanna put one of these right here?
Yeah.
Let's see if this works.
With gold.
A silver, you want a gold one? Okay, let's put it right at the top. The tip top up here at the tip top.
Of Rapunzel's tower.
Aw, that looks cute. I love you. Okay, we're all done. Go ahead and look into the camera. Tell everybody to
Like, comment, and subscribe. Please do that right now. Do it.
see you next time. Bye.
Bye.